morning, student. In last period, we learned crop and type of crop. On the topic that we learned is agricultural practices. For the production of crop, we follow some basic agricultural practices. There is total 7 agricultural practices which we listed in a previous period. This is preparation of soil is the first step for the sowing and planting the crop. Preparation of soil is the first step before sowing the seeds. So, in agricultural practice, the first practice is preparation of soil and how the farmer prepare the soil. The most important task in agricultural practices is to turn the soil and loosen it. It means that the soil is turned, uppermost soil is turned to down and the lower soil is turned towards the upward. This is the turn the soil and loosen it. It means the hard rock-like soil is breaks into a small particles of the soil, which is meant to say that we loosen the soil. So, the most important task in agriculture is to turn the soil and loosen it. The process of loosening and turning the soil is called tilling or plowing. So, what is tilling or plowing? The process of turning and loosening the soil is called tilling or plowing. Tilling or plowing is done by using a plow. Plow is made up of either wood or iron. So, this is done by using a plow. Tilling, what are the advantages of tilling or plowing? So, tilling allows the root to penetrate deep into the soil. The roots of the plant are allowed to deep into the soil if we plowing the soil, because the plowed soil are loosened soil, so root can easily grow deep into the soil. This is the first advantage of tilling. So tilling allows the root to penetrate deep into the soil. The loose soil allows the roots to breathe easily even when they go deep into the soil. The loosened soils. We lose the soil by the process of tilling. This tilling allows the root to penetrate deep into the soil, and the loosened soil allows the root to breathe easily because the air ventilation is possible in the loosened soil. The exchange of gases takes place because between the soil particles there is a space. This space is help to extend the gases. Therefore, the loose soil allows roots to breathe easily even when they go deep into the soil. Is second advantage of tilling. The loosened soil helps in the growth of earthworms and microbes. If the soil is loosened by the process of tilling, they allow to grow the earthworm, which are friend of the farmer, as well as microbes. These microbes are environment friendly, crop friendly and soil friendly microbes like rhizobium bacteria, which increase the nitrogen nutrient in the soil. So these crop friendly microbes are increased by tilling the soil, and earthworms are also increased. So if we loosen the soil by the process of tilling, the growth of earthworms and microbes are possible present in the soil. These earthworms and microbes are further turned and loosen the soil and add humus to it. This humus is important, which retains the water into the soil, which is essential for the roots of the crops to it. Next advantage is turning and loosening of the soil. Breaking brings the nutrient-rich soil to the top, so the plants can use this nutrient. By the process of turning and loosening, the nutrients which are below the soil are come on the top portion of the soil. So, turning and loosening the soil bring the nutrient-rich soil to the top, so the plant can use this nutrient easily and their growth is balanced. Next, tilling is done by using a plow made of wood or iron. The plowed field, after the tilling or plowing is done, the field is called the plowed field. The plowed field may have big pieces of soil called crumbs. Crumbs means in Gujarati depa. The big pieces of crumbs are there on the plowed field, so the plowed field may have a big pieces of soil called crumbs. It is necessary to break these crumbs with a plank. Plank is an implement which is made of a wood, like a big hammer type wooden tool which is used by farmer to break the big pieces of soil called crumb by hitting it on the crumb. It breaks and small pieces of the crumbs are there after hitting the plant. So the plowed field may have a big pieces of soil called crumb. It is necessary to break these crumbs with plant. The leveling of the soil is done with the help of leveler. Leveler is another agricultural implement or tool like this type, which is pulled by an animal like bull or tractor driven leveler. This leveler is level the soil. So the leveling of the soil is done with the help of leveler. Sometimes manure is added to the soil before tilling. Manure means natural fertilizer which is added to the soil before tilling. This helps in prepare mixing of manure with the soil. If we add a manure before tilling and then afterward we plowing or tilling the field, the manure may thoroughly mix into the soil. So now tools for tilling is plow, which is made up of wood or iron. In your textbook, it is given in the lesson crop production and management in figure 1.1a on the page number 3. Hoe is also a simple tool for plowing, which figure is given on page number 3, 1.1b number 3. And cultivator. Cultivator is tractor driven plow. Its figure is given on page number 4 as figure number 1.1c. So this is the preparation of soil, and preparation of soil is most important task for the agricultural practices. So if we see the question of exercise, you see that on page number 30, select the correct word from the following list and fill it in the blanks. The blank, question number 1a, the blank, the same kind of plants grown and cultivated on a large scale at a place is called crop, which we learned in previous class. Second blank is the first step before growing crop is preparation of the soil. The most important task is preparation of soil, and it is the first step before growing any type of crop. Question number 2 is mating type. In column A, Kharif crop, we learn about Kharif crop and Rabi crop. Kharif crop is grown in rainy season. Is Kharif crop. Example of Kharif crop. In column B, we identify which crop are Kharif crop. So, in column B, number B, paddy and maize are Kharif crop. Is correct answer. Second, in column A, Rabi crop. The example of Rabi crop, the crop which are grown in the month of October or winter season. The wheat, gram and pea are example of Kharif crop. Chemical fertilizer, organic manure is still not we learn. Question number 3, give to example each of Kharif crop and Rabi crop. Example of Kharif crop we learned in previous period, and in previous question example of Kharif crop is paddy and maize. Example of Rabi crop are wheat, gram and pea. Question number 4, write a paragraph in or on word on each of the following, that is first preparation of soil. Paragraph on a preparation of soil is like this, which is written on the blackboard. The preparation of soil. So you write the answer of question number 4A, paragraph on the preparation of soil, like this way. So today we stop here, and when we meet again on next video, we learn the next agriculture practice in next video. Thank you.